Thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get absolutely 100% free, royalty-free music and sound effects. And yes, I am talking about the free audio library from YouTube. Search hundreds and thousands of brand new music and sound effects for free. As you can see here, there's free music and then there's sound effects. Everything from drills to storm motorcycles, and you can simply search. So if I search for dog, they have animal barking, dog barking, whining, everything's here. And let's go back to the free music. They have all kind of genre of categories, from cinematics, classical, R&B. You can choose from instrumental, even duration and attribution. So you can use, most of these are 100% free, and you don't even need to have attribution or link backs to the author. So with this audio library, you never have to worry about copyright strikes. Use these freely, and these are created by professionals as well. It's really cool. Check it out. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks.